Hello, my name is Carla Phillip and I'm the CEO of BSI Learning Australia. It is with great pleasure today that I'm at CGC Landran to inaugurate the first Australian Centre of Practice in Cybersecurity in India at CGC Landran. What this COP is going to deliver to its students and to the community are cyber awareness programs, especially for women, for school students. We're also giving students access to world-class education, the certificate in cybersecurity from Australia based on competencies of the Australian qualification framework, and also industry-based capstone projects that they actually get to play with industry-based use cases, case studies, and HCL-Tech experts, coaches, trainers, and Australian trainers and assessors. So it's an extremely valuable collaboration that we have with HCL-Tech, BSI Learning Australia, and CGC Landran to make this the hub in the region for students and community and working professionals to get all the education they need that is industry-based from Australia and by the academia at CGC Landran. So thank you for having us, and we wish a really good and successful journey over the next 3 years where we educate over 3,000, 4,000 cyber talent, not just for India, but also for the rest of the world for global mobility, which is India's vision for 2047.
Hi, I'm Parul Chaudhary and I'm Director Partner Success with HCL Technologies EdTech Division. I am really very glad that we have entered into an engagement between HCL Technologies, BSI Learning and CGC. And this entire engagement is going to benefit the students and the communities at a larger extent, because the launch is all about setting up the COP for cyber security, and we all understand that there's so much of threat arising due to the certain emerging technologies, due to the high level of awareness through social media and LinkedIn and etc., which is actually resulting into the cyber threat for the students, for the girl students, for the school students, for the women, for the working professionals, and for the industry itself. So hence, we strongly believe that the cybersecurity program will help these students to learn how to protect themselves from these threats. Secondly, this entire collaboration will bring the benefit to the student primarily into two ways. One is the BSI Learning with its Australian qualification will help the students to earn the certification post completing the training program, which will be valid in 36 plus countries. And that's how the challenge of skill recognition can be taken care of. And from the HCL-Tech, they will also get the visibility and get the exposure to the industry projects, because it's not only about learning the technology, it's also about learning how to apply the technology into different industry. So the entire domain-based learning industry project is what HCL-Tech will offer, along with the BSI Learning Australian qualification into the cybersecurity to the students, giving them the benefit of the certification valid in 36 plus countries, along with the exposure to the industry projects, and really make them more productive for the from the employability perspective.